Hello, I'm Chini from MSK Marai.
Today, we will review the anatomy of the lateral collateral ligament, LCL, an important extracapsular stabilizer of the knee joint. We will also examine some key surrounding structures such as the orange-colored lateral gastrocnemius, green-colored biceps femoris, and red-colored popliteus tendons. LCL origin. The LCL originates from the lateral side of the distal femur in a fan-like fashion. It also arises directly anterior to the lateral head of the gastrocnemius muscle. LCL insertion. At its distal attachment, the LCL inserts on the lateral aspect of the fibular head. Several structures attaching to the fibula are depicted in different colors: the pink fabellofibular ligament, the orange arcuate ligament, and the aqua-colored LCL. The LCL insertion is anterior and lateral relative to the attachments of the fabellofibular and arcuate ligaments. On coronal imaging, we can appreciate the LCL extending from just posterior to the femoral epicondyle to the lateral aspect of the fibular head, which merges with the biceps femoris tendon. Lateral gastrocnemius. The lateral gastrocnemius tendon inserts onto the supracondylar process, just posterior to the LCL femoral attachment. Biceps femoris. On the sagittal view, we can visualize the normal LCL and biceps femoris tendon as they blend into a conjoined tendon distally at insertion onto the fibular head. Popliteus tendon. The popliteus tendon attaches to the lateral femoral condyle, anterior and distal to the femoral origin of the LCL. This popliteus insertion is located below the origins of the lateral gastrocnemius and LCL. On fluid-sensitive sequences, the popliteus tendon appears as a hypointense cord-like structure. It attaches to the popliteal notch or fossa on the lateral aspect of the lateral femoral condyle and crosses deep or medial to the LCL. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it.